1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Grandma Barbie. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to Grandma Barbie.
Happy birthday to you, Grandma Barbie.
That's nice, Rylan. What do you think Grandma Barbie's gonna do on her birthday? What do you think she's gonna do? Think she'll have a party?
Yeah.
What will she have at her party?
Balloons.
Yeah, what else? Balloons at her party, and what else at her party?
No.
Candles? Do you think we should go to her party?
Yeah.
Yeah? Or should we get her a present?
Yeah.
What should we get her?
Paint pots.
Paint pots. What colors?
Blue and green.
Great idea. You say bye-bye to Grandma Barbie?
Bye-bye, Grandma Barbie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma Barbie.
Nice, Rylan.